Now, Dr. Adil, I bring all the greetings and wishes from Speed Institute from all the faculties to you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes,
Thank you.
and for scoring a wonderful rank and a great rank in surgical specialty and NEET SS 2020 and MCH surgical specialty in urology, rank number 77. Best wishes to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you for having me here,
Can
sir.
we know about Dr. Adil? We want to know from you about who is Adil, what has been doing so far, and where he did his medicine, his post graduation. Now, why he wants to do urology. I mean, can we know all those history and the biography of Dr. Adil Abdulla?
Sir, I'm from a place called Alua in Kochi in Kerala. I did my MBBS from Armed Forces Medical College, Pune. I'm of 2004 batch. Post MBBS in 2009, when I passed out of my MBBS, I joined the Indian Army as a lieutenant. I served in Army as for the next 7 years as a short service commissioned officer. After my short service, I joined Kottayam Medical College, Government Medical College, Kottayam, as I got MS General Surgery there. And I did 1 year of post MS senior residency. And during that 1 year, about last 6 months, I did my preparation for this. And with God's grace, I could clear it. I could crack a good rank. That's it, sir.
Can you share your preparation strategy? How did you prepare? When did you start? How many hours you did? What you did? Those things you can share with us.
Sir, initially I started, even though I gave urology, MCH Urology entrance last year also, during my, just after my final year MS, but I didn't get a very good rank. In fact, I got a very bad rank. It was around 1,700 with zero preparation. And I knew that it's not a child's game. You need to put in a lot of effort. And you cannot crack an MCH exam just with your general surgery knowledge. You need to go deep into the subject. But still, the problem was I was confused whether to go for MCH urology or neurosurgery, because these two are the subjects which was closer to me. Okay. So thoroughly confused. It took almost 3 to 4 months of my senior residency. I keep on discussing with my senior. I keep on thinking about it over and over. I used to discuss with my wife, my parents. And finally around, again I was pondering, keeping on pondering, and I think it was around in February. I was sitting in my OT and I was just again, in between the case, my unit professor, he asked me, Adil, what are you thinking? I mean, what is your final decision? What are you finally planning to do MCH on? Again, I understood. I came to a realization that still I am confused. Then after that, while I was, I just came out of OT, I met one of my senior. He also asked me the same question. He was in fact a neurosurgeon. He was doing his MCH neurosurgery there. He told, if you're still confused, that means you're not interested in neurosurgery. You better go to a subject which is closer to you. Yes. Actually, a neurosurgeon gave me a very good decision. I felt it was easy. Then later on, everything the whole jigsaw puzzle fall into place, and it was clear. It came out so clear that actually I wanted to do urology, and I was something was maybe the lack of confidence of getting through urology in the first attempt. Maybe because of that, it was pulling me back. Then the first decision, sir, to tell you, the first decision I took afterwards, that was join for Speed. The same OT, I came to my dressing room, gave a call. I had a word with your executive, and I made sure that I was enrolled into your classes.
How did you join?
So I joined via telephonically, and I did.
How did you come to know Speed?
So Speed, actually, I came to know through my seniors, and even if I was not planning, if I was not deciding to join urology, anyhow, I had plans to join for neurosurgery anyhow. So that part was clear. Actually, it was, so I straight away went and joined for urology. And within 1 week, I think the class started. I joined the classes in Chennai within a week.
Then what did you do in classes? What did you do in classes? How
Sir,
did you revise? How did you go about the
yes.
preparation?
The advantage which I got after coming to speed, the first and the foremost advantage is that I could know what to read and what not to read from Campbell, and what subjects to give more weightage upon, and on those subjects which I'll have to read very shallow rather than going for a in-depth reading. So, and the faculty in speed was exceptionally good, especially to mention Uday Kumar sir, Venkatesh sir. Venkatesh sir made a very huge, difficult, nightmare topic like neurourology very simple to us in a very, very short and precise manner. And so I could understand what to read and what not to read soon after attending the speed classes. And later on, throughout the classes, they used to tell which all MCQs, which are the areas to stress upon. That helped me a lot.
Great. Then what did you do for general surgery? How did you study general surgery?
So general surgery, I knew that without reading daily and without reading daily again and again and answering maximum questions, you cannot crack the general surgery, because general surgery is going to be the it is going to make the difference in a competitive exam, because most of the people who are going to compete with me will be very good in urology, exceptionally good in urology. That I was very sure, because they are all might be preparing from years together, and they are all very good. The difference is going to be made by general surgery. That I was sure. So I thought I'll go with the basics, make sure that the basic foundation is right. So I gave another one more reading of whole of Bailey. First 400 pages, I made sure that I don't miss any MCQs from those, which is the general part of general surgery. So I did at least twice, and then I went for a. I used to read and revise the notes which I made from the first 400 pages. And I used to answer a lot of MCQs which was available. I used the speed app, I think, quite well. I used to revise on certain videos again and again which I had doubts on. And it all helped me a lot.
Excellent. Now, where are you going to join now? Where do you have planned to take your MCH urology?
I'm planning to take up Government Medical College Calicut, and which is considered one of the premier in my state of Kerala. I hope I will get a seat there. Sir, I'm planning to take Government Medical College Calicut, and I hope I would be able to get a seat there.
Excellent. Great interacting with you, and especially we are really honored to interact with a doctor who's from an army background, and we respect you a lot for you are in the service, and so that gives us a lot of more. We are already respect all the students, but we respect people from army and service very much, and I have a lot of regards for all of them and for you as well. And I wish you all the best and all the success in the career of MCH Urology. And as a urologist, you will make a mark and you will make a difference in this specialty. Wish you all the best, and people are going to be benefited out of your service. Thank you very much. Thanks for being with us. God bless you. All the best to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.